PHribbon has been helping PHPP users since 2019, and the main part of it is whole life carbon, now updated to the RICS second edition calculations. The first 3 minutes of this video are going to be about that, and then the final 30 seconds are going to be about the other things that it does. The process starts with embodied carbon and a main menu of tools. It makes the finding and selecting of data very easy by giving you these windows that pop up and allow you to select data from a series of choices or find different choices. There's one here for services, including refrigerants. The first part of the results is a heat map for carbon. Brighter red means more carbon. So if you find a figure which is a bit high, you can follow it back to the material, and then you can also find out what stage it's at, and you might decide to take it away from one of your options, and then you can add another material to replace it. Another part of the results is the whole life carbon, and that takes your figures directly from your PHPP, that's these, and produces a live figure in the table below which you can copy to each of your options. And then that gets presented in this results page where it shows a breakdown of the embodied on a graph and also the whole life emissions. The main part of the results is this page, which shows the REBA challenge, also the LETI with a graphic there as well, and there's an estimate of the UK Net Zero Carbon Building Standard. And finally, if you're in London and you have results that need to be submitted for the GLA, or you're in another area where your local authority requires you to submit results, then there is a way of doing that which produces this table, and that should make it quite easy to transfer the results. So what makes it easy to use? Well, firstly, there are these pluses and minuses at the top which allow you to show or hide parts of the calculation. That means you can simplify it to the simplest possible level, and if you need to open it up to see more detail, including the transparency of the calculation itself, you can do. Looking at this list on the side here, in most cases you can enter everything in the same general section, and there's a few special cases. You only need the full category list if you're going to submit a table, for example, to the GLA. It helps you calculate the RICS uncertainty factor for the top 10 materials. It has about 900 EPDs, but it'll also help you enter your own. PHribbon does a lot of other things too. It'll help you work out the daylight factor. It'll help you build your own library of U-value calculations, which you can reuse for new projects. It has quite a large library of lambda values already, and you can add to that. It also helps you enter windows, orientations in a way that allows you to actually rotate the building if you want to. And when you're finished, it'll help you check the PHPP as well.